have been loving the 3-day giveaways, so we're back with another one.
In just 72 hours, you could be making the choice of a lifetime. Are you taking home this freshly built XYGT or $100,000 in cold hard cash?
That's right, this XYGT has only just been built by Frank at Dandy Engines, running a 408 Cleveland and pushing a massive 670 horsepower on pump fuel. This car is a turnkey package, running a Fuel-Tech FT550 ECU, SDE store converter, C10 transmission, 3.5 gears, 31 spline axles and well wheels. This Falcon has been fully restored, stripped back to bare metal and painted surfer orange. It's fitted with an original wineback sunroof and everything on this car is brand new.
This car is worth a massive $170,000 and it could be yours for only $24.95.
Make sure you hit the link below and get your entries in, and then tune into Facebook at 7 p.m. on Friday to see if you're a winner. Good luck!